I was born in the US, but my parents were not. Can I petition for them to become green card holders or lawful permanent residents? And the answer is it varies and it depends. So if you're under 21, you cannot do anything. So if you're under 21, you're still considered a child for all legal purposes. And so you don't have the right under law to petition for parents or siblings for that matter. Now, if you're over 21, then yes, you have that right. And the beauty of it is that your parents are considered immediate relatives, and that's a category. And so under the IR, the immediate relative category, they have priority, and there are visas or green cards readily available for them. Now, if your parents came in with inspection, so if they had a visa, they came to a port of entry, they got stamped, they came in the country, they can do that adjustment while in the United States. So they can get their green card while they're in the United States. If they do not, so if they had crossed the border without any kind of inspection, then it gets a little bit tougher, because the requirement of the adjustment of status is that you had entered the country with inspection, so inspected. And so since you haven't been inspected entering a country, what happens is you can file a waiver. There's a provisional waiver where and you have to really argue this well, and so these waivers are quite tricky. But in essence, what you do is you're asking for forgiveness and for the pardon, but before you get the green card, the waiver has to be approved, because right now you are what's called inadmissible. So even if your sponsorship is approved, you are inadmissible because of another fact, which is the entry without inspection. So then what would have to happen is typically you'd have to travel back to a consulate outside of the United States and do your interview there and get it approved, get your waiver approved, and then be able to come back once that's done. And that's the process, and it will take time, and it's a tricky process. If you want some peace of mind around it, and if you don't want to have to deal with getting it wrong, and then the consequences of that, which I've explained in thorough detail in other videos here, just give us a call or reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy the content that we're providing, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe, or share it to other folks that you think would benefit from it. Thank you.